So Arcane Aegis is one of my all-time favorite prints from my Sunlit Ruins collection, and it was inspired by my travels to Sicily. So I lived in Sicily for a few months when I was in college, and oftentimes we would go on these hikes. And in Sicily, things are like a little bit more wild. And so they're not like, the hikes aren't marked or anything like that. Like you just kind of like wander around these like Sicilian mountains and hills and things like that, kind of in Etna's shadow. And oftentimes you would get to the top of these hills or mountains and there would be these ancient temple ruins just like there, you know, just like Greek columns, you know, and Roman columns and all sorts of interesting things just like lying there at the top of this hill. And so in my mind, I always recreated what these beautiful palaces or temples looked like. And Arcane Aegis was really an homage to that. I wondered if they would have tapestries or prints or wall, you know, murals that looked similar to this. And so it was really fun to just reimagine these ancient dwellings just coming to life. This print, I could imagine all sorts of ways, but it would be so cute as like a pocket on the front of a bag, or even as bag straps. We could fussy cut some of the strips to make these beautiful like bag handles. I think it would be really cute just on its own as a bag as well.